Hey viewers, this is a follow-up to my last video where I talked about trying to rebuild this sealed cartridge bottom bracket. Unfortunately, can't do it. It's not going to happen. But I'll include links to a couple other videos where I rebuild sealed cartridge bottom brackets down in the description, so go check those out. But anyway, what happened was, first I pulled this seal out of this end. It came out pretty easy. And this one, I pulled this seal out, and this one was much rougher to get out. I kind of pull, almost tear it out. And when I got in here to look, I was hoping to be able to unscrew this part and get it apart, but unfortunately, this part here is pressed on. So I'd probably use like a hot drag press of some sort and press it on. There's no way I can get this part off without basically destroying it. And yeah, so this one ain't gonna happen. But I'm in no worse shape than I was to begin with, because I had a non-working bottom bracket. I still have a non-working bottom bracket. All I lost was a little bit of time and effort. So that happens. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But if you have something broken, you might as well try to fix it. If it doesn't happen, you're where you were to begin with. So anyway, hope you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go down there, click the subscribe button. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post stuff out there occasionally. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.